This is a capture race challenge for white. White is very short on liberties. That's the first observation we should make. If white plays something like this, then it's already dead. If white plays here, then black will just bend. White plays on the first line, black will just atari. Pushing here first eliminates this move, right? Because now black can simply atari. If you play this diagonal move first, then this will not help black because he can connect back. And if black plays something like this, he can still connect back because there is a stone here on the second line. So there's actually really no way for black to block white after number 1. If black plays something like this, now white can push here, black connects, white can play at number 5. Really neat move. If play here, it will still fail. But playing here prevents black from coming in at number 6. So black can only connect here, and now white can succeed very easily by playing here or here. You can try the variations on your own. This will essentially be a 3 liberties versus 2 situation, and black will be killed with 1, 3, and 5. If you try something like this is not going to work, right? Bending, it's a very heavy move. It does not increase your liberties, whereas playing this diagonal move on the first line potentially can connect back, right? If black is not careful, all of a sudden white is already connected, and black will be surrounded and killed very easily. Black's strongest response, it prevents white from connecting, but white has 3 and 5. So overall, a little tricky, but once again, we have this diagonal move on the first line. If you've been doing enough of these problems on this playlist, you should know that this diagonal move on the first line is something that you should always calculate in real games and in these problems. It could be a very good move, very effective move. So I hope you find this helpful, and I'll see you in the next challenge. Thank you for watching.